Oh boy, we've got another time-consuming one for day 18. Okay, let's start with the color, pink. I was trying to think of pink things, and the first thing I thought of was bubblegum. But I didn't want to draw someone blowing a bubble. I just drew a person 2 days ago, and I don't have a skin tone. Can you tell I'm trying to limit my drawing of people to whether or not the color of the day is a skin tone? I needed some way to stop myself where I was just gonna do cute girls all month long. Anyway, back to the picture. As we've discussed, I do love to draw birds. Coincidentally, there happens to be a bird that is this color. I saw them in 2019 in person when I was on vacation in Customaya, Mexico. It's a flamingo. I've never drawn one before, though like I say, I do like to draw birds, so I was excited for this one once I realized that the flamingo was actually a good option. I did unfortunately draw it a little too far to the right on the page, which is ironically the opposite problem I seem to have with every person I've drawn this month, which have all been slightly too far to the left. Also, flamingos sort of have creepy faces, I'm realizing. I'm not sure I'm a fan. But I definitely had a good time doing this picture. I really like these brush-tipped Posca pens. I like the line width variation you can get with them. After laying out the shapes with the pink brush pen, which I sort of relegated to the undersides of the feathers for a lot of it because a lot of flamingos seem to have light pink or even whitish feathers on the tops of their backs, at least as far as I saw when I was looking through reference pictures. Did some shading with the black pen on the edges and undersides of the feathers to give a little detail, which is what was most of the time-consuming part of this image. I did toss around the idea of putting in some sort of background, but really I sort of just like the picture the way it is. I didn't think a background was entirely necessary, even though at first glance this piece might look a little bit boring. I'm not sure. The only thing about it that really bothers me is that it isn't centered. But anyway, another bird out of the way means that pink is check done. See you tomorrow for the next one.